Hello, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm so glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day, or the day of your choice, because as long as you're alive, you have choices. You may not always like your options, though. Speaking of options, I got something where I got to make a lot of choices in the mail. It's my FABFITFUN box for the summer of 2021. Yeah, FABFITFUN, and I don't remember what I chose, but I got, because I'm an annual member, I got to choose a lot of stuff, and this is like $49.95 a quarter, something like that. If you subscribe annually, you get to save a little bit of money, and I've not gotten into here yet, so it's a virgin, like a virgin. Hey, cut for the very first time. When your heart beats next to mine. And it's got a ton of stuff up in here. Oh, some cute little stickers, very cute. We've got $15 off of FABFITFUN, $15 off your first box. Here is the code if you would like to freeze that and use that code. Feel more than free to do so. Comes with a delightful magazine. It says, give yourself a summer glow up. Well, I have. Yeah. Anyway, let me get into the pages where the products are. And I can tell you, oh, I found it. Oh, and here's some paper. And some little scrubbies. I don't know what to call these. Shreds. Some shreds that get everywhere. And they'll probably end up in my cat's mouth. And then it'll probably end up in some cat poop. I don't know. Rum does litter boxes. What do I care? I just don't want my cats to eat it. But anyway, I'm trying to get as much of this crap out before we dig in. Oh, and there's a little envelope here. If you're looking for a sign to drink wine, this is it. It's a wine card. Girl, I don't drink. And then there's a HelloFresh. Man, there's more ads every time. 14 meals for free. Woo! I've already been there, done that. And I'm very excited about the things that I got to choose this time. Now I'm seeing the things in the top of the box here. I'm very excited. And from Customization 1, which is the first one, you got to choose like a Summer Fridays serum, a Clean and Teal PMD, a Somersault neoprene beach tote. Why would I want a neoprene beach tote? I don't go to any real beaches. A Virginia Wolf multi-wrap, a Society 6 outdoor blanket, a wine chiller, a tie-dye towel. A lot of these things were picked already, they were all sold out. So I chose something that I am excited about, and it is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. And the thing is, if I don't want to use it, I can get good money on Macari. But this is a very high-end product. It does not tell you what it's worth, but it's like over $60. I know it's that much at least. All right, Customization 2. You could have chose from a Ruffle 90, Away Detox Shampoo and Scalp Massager. I'm not about the scalp scrubs. I learned my lesson the hard way. Millie jewelry case, resistance bands in a ball, some bowls and some spoons, Sonic's Bluetooth speaker, a Tarte drink of H2O hydration, and then a cooler bag. And I chose the Tarte hydration because I really do like the H2O system that Tarte has, and it's good stuff. And it's a beautiful little package. And it's It's a mess. And this is what it looks like. It's a really pretty, and it smells like the frickin' sea, and I love that. So I'm very excited about this. I will use this. And this is, I wish it had the prices, because this is already like, because it's already made my money on my box. And that's how I look at it, you know. Next up is customization 3, where you could get a corksicle, like a little wine, thermal wine glass, some super grip sunscreen, some living proof perfect hair dry shampoo, AG recoil hair curl activator, poolside water resistant pouch, some bracelet kit, some face moisturizer, or some blue light glasses. I chose, and this is at least $25, the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo. Living Proof products are fantastic. I really, really like them, and I like to shake them a lot. Let's put a little in my hair. Woo! Oh, look at that. And it smells really good. So that is 3 of the choices. Customization 4 was a vitamin C serum, a Ciate London watermelon burst setting spray, an African botanical shimmering gold thing, or brain teasers activity book. I chose the watermelon burst setting spray because A, I love watermelon, and B, I love setting sprays. I've got like at least 10 setting sprays, so this will make 11 or 12. It smells fantastic. Whether it's any good or not, that remains to be seen, but that's at least 20 bucks. So I'm really doing well so far with my box and my choices. And then the next customization was number 5. You could get some lippies. You could get some after sun gel, a selfie ring light. Girl, I don't need no ring lights. See this highlighter? I got box lights up in here, and Dr. Brandt Purifying Cleanser, Flight Mode at High Altitude Hydration Mask, To the Market Melamine Printed Tray, or Aspar Cutting Board Set. I've already got that cutting board set, and so what I chose was this adorable tray, and I'm very excited about it because we don't have a lot of serving trays. And this would be great. I like to make the little chest bars, the gooey bars, and take them to parties and stuff. And this will be perfect to put little lemon bars on. It's beautiful. It feels well made. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And it's gorgeous. I love it. And it'll look great. Or it looks like a little crudité, a little veggie, a little dip. Very great tray. I'm very excited about it. Customization 6 was weird. You get like a bundle with some cactus squeezer, some shadow stick, or I don't know. It's just a bunch of weird things. Or you could get Kate Spade New York workout socks, eye gel patch, Skin and Coat truffle cleanser, Ernie Laszlo pure clean cleansing clay mask. You can get all this, some Lashes MD stuff, some Murad, some Ole Hendrickson. I remember a bunch of the stuff on here was sold out. And so I ended up getting the Verso Super Eye Cream, and I always need an eye cream. And I know that this is not inexpensive. Trying to see if there's anything else. Is that it? Sometimes they give you secret stuff, but that's it. So this is a really great deal for my $49. I got an eye serum. I got a nice watermelon setting spray. I got this really fancy, expensive PMD cleansing thing. I got some great dry shampoo. I got a moisturizer, and I got a tray. And this is so worth my money, and I'm actually going to use like a good portion of these things. So that's awesome. So I will give the summer FabFitFun box 2 thumbs up. Was I sad that some of the things I wanted were sold out? Yes. Am I not getting emails from them? No, I'm not. I had to have a friend of mine tell me that it was time to choose, and that's why I missed out on some really good stuff. But I hope you've enjoyed this today. Have a great day or day of your choice, and we'll see you real soon.